What if I told you there was a way to get video editing clients even if you have no experience? This YouTuber went from having no video editing experience to landing multiple high-paying clients in his first 3 months. While most editors are just spamming the same message to everyone, there's a strategy that editors are using to get high-paying clients reaching out to them. And once you know it, you're going to be able to start making money with video editing even if you have no experience. So in this video, I'm going to share the step-by-step strategy that you can take from having no video editing experience to landing your first high-paying client in under 3 months. And stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you a super simple and effective script that I found for reaching out and landing your dream clients. So to get started, unfortunately, you are going to need to learn about video editing. Who would have thought? But since we want to do this in a short period of time, you need to be very intentional about how you do this. Instead of spending all day eating Doritos and watching editing tutorials, although they are pretty good, you're going to do 2 things. First, you're going to focus on the essentials. Pick a program. It can be free like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Learn how to navigate the program, how to import, cut footage together, how to make text, and how to use transitions. You just want to get the basics down. Then second, you want to actually apply the stuff that you're learning. And there's a specific way that you can apply this learning that'll help you start building an audience and start attracting new video editing clients. If you want to do that, you want to start utilizing a tool that's making editors a whole lot of money right now, and that's Twitter, or X, whatever you like to call it. You see, there's one specific kind of tweet that's helping editors build their audience and attract new clients. Just from one tweet, you could have high-paying clients start reaching out to you. Just by making one tweet, this editor got 96,000 views, and I've seen other editors start working with famous streamers all from one tweet. The tweet that all these successful editors are making is this. Now, it may look like a simple before and after tweet, but there's 3 things that you can do that'll make it attract clients. First, you want to make it short, because no one wants to watch a 10-minute video that you re-edited. 2, you want to show your best stuff. This is your chance to learn all those fancy editing tricks. And then third, you want to edit for the types of creators that you would actually want to work with. By doing these posts, you're going to be building your portfolio, building your credibility, and getting your work in front of potential clients. So now that you start doing those things, it's time for the fun part. This is a step where we're going to start reaching out to people. But the way most people do it is the reason why they find it so hard to get clients to say yes. So instead of getting a list of 10,000 names and sending them the exact same message, I want you to get out a pen and paper. Got it? Good. Now, you're going to want to write down 10 names. There's going to be 10 people that you're interested in working with. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to focus on providing a high amount of value up front. Now, I've been studying the best way to do this, so this advice is going to be mixed from Nate Wealth, Alex Hormozi, and then a couple of other people. But I can condense it down to 2 steps. For the people that you're reaching out to, you want to re-edit one of their videos for free, and you want to make an offer so good that they feel stupid saying no. Now, the first part is pretty self-explanatory, but we also want to make an offer so good that they feel stupid saying no. And Alex Hormozi actually has an entire book all about this. As you may have noticed, I am a fan. But since I don't have time to teach you the whole book, YouTuber Nate Wealth did a good job of using the principles to make a script that you can use to reach out to your dream client.
Instead, you should take one of their old videos, re-edit it to make it better, attach it to the email, and say something like, "Hey, I'm blank, I'm a video editor and I want to work for you. I took X video of yours and re-edited it to make it better, and if you like it, you should reply to this email and we'll talk about how we can work together in the future. Your name." It's short, simple, and gives the person that you're reaching out to literally 0 reason to say no if the video that you re-edited looks better than it did initially.
Okay, so now that you have some people interested in your work, it's time to actually make some money. This is where most video editors get hung up because they're so afraid to lose clients that they're seriously undercharging and usually end up hating their life. Now, I will say that pricing yourself is something that I struggled with for a long time, but there's a few things that help me charge 10 times more for video jobs. So check out this video where I share what they are and then how you can use them to make more money as a video editor.